Greetings, all students. Yes, this morning, we already did our final exam. Now, uh, let's try to check the the question and also the answer. So here, this is the information you got on your paper. Then you need to type it on your Excel. And first of all, I need to explain to you about this data. You're supposed to put this on your Excel. So you need to give title and then the table. Make sure you type it correctly because if you did mistake on this code, then something wrong. Perhaps this on this code you have 0, but you change it into O using O, then the program won't work. Then you need to exactly type and write exactly the same like the information. So this is a number of customer and this is our customer name, then the code of product and quantity they buy. So the fourth character are the code of the product, and then two last digits are the quantity they buy. So number one, Albus Dumbledore, he's buying product SB01 dash 01. It means that Albus buying a product like based on this code and then only one unit. And then code of payment CBCA. It should be paying using credit card of bank BCA. Then we go to the next information, the information one. This table show you the code of product, and then the name of product, the type, and price. Yes. So it's S11 is Me True Wireless Earbud Basic. It's accessories, and this is the price. So let's and so on till SW03. It is Mi Band 3. The type is watch, and then this is the price. Then on information 2, we got the data payment accepted by store. So our store accepts some type of payment. Payment name is cash, debit BCA, credit, and then debit PRI, and then credit, and then the code. Yeah, pay attention. Usually for data like this, we will use age lookup, but perhaps you find out why age lookup is not working on your table. Of course, because usually the code is located first, and then the next row is the information, the name. But today I just mix it, just swap it to check whether you understand or not the basic of the function of payment. Okay, and then we have instruction. We have instruction. This is payment name, and then we have instruction. We need to put payment done by using information to name of product and stuff. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to do today's task. So first of all, you need to type it, but to make it short, I just want to copy it and then put it on my Excel. So you have this Excel, and then you need to put the data. Yes, you need to type it, but I can show the information how to do how to fill the table. So number, customer, code of payment, and stuff. So I'm going to make it, yes. Alright, the instruction is we need to put payment done by based on information 2. So we need to put the head of table here. So payment done by number 1. It should be question number 1. And then I gonna make it in the center. So yes, column E and then column F for name of product. Then yes, because we have 9 columns and then 10 for pivot, so just make it to 9. Okay, and then we are going to fill this head table. So, okay, number 3, we will put quantity. For type, 5 price, and then 6 subtotal, 7 discount. Yes, I find out some students cannot do this. 8 total payment, and then 9 bonus. Yes, like this. And then yes, we are going to make our table and the column so it's easier for us to fill. Okay, let's make table and the border. Okay, I just want like this, right? And then make it bigger. Yes, that's all. Okay, so our task for today is filling this using the information that we have below. Okay, make sure you type everything, okay? Make sure you type it correctly, because if you did mistake on number, then it won't work. Yes, and but I already check all of your work, and yeah, some students make mistakes on number only, just a little, like it should be 299 but you type it as 229. Yeah, it's just something minor mistake, but I can say it's minor mistake in my class. But how if you're working and then you type it incorrectly? Then it means something wrong, something big would be happen. So please, all students, you need to pay attention on your spelling and on your number, because this is information related with money. You want, of course, you don't want to pay money because of your mistake, right? Then you need to pay more attention. And I can see some students still make typo on accessories, on English word. Yes, if you make a different part on these accessories, and these accessories perhaps with only one C here on accessories, and this has 2C, it will different. It will make this product it not in the same category. Then you need to type it exactly the same. What you learn in my class, not only Excel, but also you need to listen the information, and then you need to put more concentration on your typing as well. It seems really something minor, but it will affect many things. Then you need to pay attention later, okay? And then this is the information that I told you. This is the name and the code. Why the code is located below? It should be located before. I told you that you can revise it if you want. So I want to put code before name, then later I can make its look up. So you need to change it. Just simply change it, then we can work as usual. Yes, that's easy. That's really easy, but Yes, I think you don't know. And then, right, and then I'm going to make sure that every the cells are not merged. Then I just want to make sure everything going well. It should be here because I copied from Word. Then probably it's happening. Then I just okay. I just wanna make it sure every cell has one data, no merged cell. Okay. Yes. I think that's working. Yes, the cells still merge together. I just want to unmerge everything. If you're typing your own, so you won't have this kind of problem. But later, if you copy data from Word, yeah, then perhaps you will have the same problem as me right now. So pay attention, guys. Right. And the next information is based on the newest cooperation with this bank. This bank will give 5% discount if customer pay using credit card. Then we will put it later on discount on column 7 here. Yes, finished. And we are ready. We are ready to fill all the columns. Now, payment done by, the information said that payment done by is using the table to information to based on the code of payment. Then just easy because the data, okay, pay attention, the data is horizontal. The data is horizontal like this. Yeah, horizontal. And but this data is vertical, standing. But this data are laying in row. Then we will use its lookup. So here, using its lookup, and then click code. Okay, and then click code as our lookup value. Then table array, you need to put it from this to this. Yes. Don't forget to lock it. Press F4 for one time and then semicolon 0. And pay attention after we choosing row, then you need to put our default comma false or comma 0 as false. Yes, then we will put, we will find the right answer. Because if you don't put semicolon 0, then it will give different answer. Some students, I check one or two students still doing that, and the result is different. That's why the student staying in class for a long time, perhaps yes, perhaps they're wondering what's happened, why the program is correct. I think it's correct, but it's not working because silly mistake. Only because of this, you didn't put semicolon 0 as our range lookup. It means that if our lookup value fit with any data, then it will give exactly the data located beside it. So for example, CBCA should be credit BCA because we already limited between, if the code is showing CBCA, it should be, we will take credit BCA. But if you didn't put semicolon 0 or semicolon false, then the data program will find another value or another information. Perhaps they won't take this, but they will Excel will take this or this. Yes, so you need to limit your selection into something correct. Something correct, C, BCA should be this. Then we already limit it. If you didn't put it, perhaps it will show cash or debit or stuff. Alright. So that's something minor, something easy, but silly if you didn't put it. Okay, let's check it. C, BCA should be credit BCA. D should be debit. C, correct, 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 correct. So all correct. And then second column. Name of product based on this code of product and quantity. Where we got it? From our table here, information 1. Then again, the data should be located here. Yeah. The value should be here, and this is data. But between our value and data, it's not exactly the same because we have quantity. This quantity right beside our code. Then we cannot use only VLOOKUP. No. Then we need to transfer the right code to this place using left, because the data located in the left side. Left, choose the data, and then how many characters? It should be 4. Yes, yeah. Yes, SB01. Then our code exactly the same with our data, our criteria here. Then we are ready to put VLOOKUP. So after equal sign, put VLOOKUP. And then this left and stuff, this become our lookup value. Don't forget to put comma or semicolon. And then choose table array. Our table, I will take the whole part. Don't forget to lock it. Then which column we take, because this is name, I will choose this column. Then it should be 2, right? 2. And don't forget semicolon 0 or false, like this, exact match. Yes. So SB01, me Bluetooth speaker. Let's check it. Yes, smart Bluetooth. Speaker Bluetooth SB01 located here. And let's check something random. It's S05. It's F05. Me can headphones comfort. Then it's correct. Easy, huh? And the third column for quantity, we got it from this. Just transfer it. The two last digit of this code. So yeah, let's check the data. The data is 01, 02, yes, no 10 or 11. Then simply you can put right. No right, and then check it. You can type it 1 or 2, it's okay. Yeah, if you think we have number 10, 11 that has 2 digits, perhaps you can take 2. But for this one, only 1 digit. Perhaps I can show you using 2 digits. And what's happened? Yes, we have 01. But that's not a number. That is text. Okay, I can show you first. Yeah, 01, 02 on stuff. But why? Number should be located, the default located in the right side. This data located in the left side. Then it's not number, it is text. We need to change it to value first. So after equal sign, type value or number value in your computer. Then don't forget to put close bracket. Finish. Yes, we have this quantity. If you want to move it, just check this. Finish. Alright. Now let's go to the type. Type located in the right side of name product. So yeah, it's just same with this. Perhaps we can just copy it. Just copy it and then don't forget to change the code. Oh, yeah. Don't let the code is running. So we need to put code exactly on code of product. Right. And then which column we take? This is one column, second, and third. Type is third. So it should be 3 column index. Then I am going to lock the column. Then it won't run when I try to drag it. And price located in the right side. So I just change it into fourth column. Yes, let's check it. Let me check it. What's happened with this? Right. Probably it's not number, I guess. This is custom. The type is custom. It should be number. Counting. I got it. I got it. Because when I copy it, I forget to work with this. Yes, it's still merged and center. Then I need to, yes, do not merge anything. Or it will work if you choose 5. Yes, it's working. So as usual, just as usual, because I just did mistake when I copied. Yes, this is our price, type, and stuff. And now, subtotal. Subtotal based on our price and then times the quantity we buy. This is easy, yeah, basic mathematics. So our quantity times using this star sign and then the price. Let's check it. One quantity should be the same. How about two watch? Two watch should be 2 times 299. It should be 598. Correct. And then discount. The information is this bank will give 5 discount if customer pay using credit card. So easy. Credit card. Where is credit card? BCA. Should be CBCA. So let's put if. If this is same like CBCA, then we will put 5%. 5%. Other than that, 0. Finish. So 0.05 is 5%, but we can put it as this without decimals and then put it, okay, 5%. Or some student times it with the price and subtotal. 5% should be times with should be times with not price but subtotal, because for some people buy two watch or two accessories, then it should be times this. Then we have this, and you need to change it into accounting and stuff. Okay, so you can have percentage or number, it's okay, up to you. Yes. And then next, total payment. Total payment based on our subtotal. Yeah, the amount money of product you buy minus, should be minus discount, because discount will make your payment is lower, not become higher. You got discount but you pay higher, it doesn't make any sense. And should be subtotal and discount. I can still see like few students did that kind of mistakes. Yes, something silly. That's why I told you that's a silly mistake. You didn't pay attention for the questions. It means a lot. I mean, yes, it should be like this and finish. And the last column is bonus. Bonus information is less than or equal with 500,000. Then we'll get rose and holiday card. From 500,000 until 1 million will get notes and pen. More than 1 million will get t-shirt. Yes, I can see some students still did mistake on this. Something easy. This is really easy. Just pay attention on our class. Yeah. So again, bonus based on the total payment. Or yeah, some students make it based on subtotal. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Subtotal amount of the product they buy. It should be this amount. But some students using payment also it's okay. It's okay. I make it as correct. Doesn't matter. Let's use subtotal. So if our amount is less than or equal with 500,000, then they will get rose and holiday card. Then semicolon, if subtotal less than or equal with 500,000, they will get rose and holiday card. Then if other than that, if other than that, just put it as something like this. Just you can check it first whether it's working or not before going to the next if. This is 502, then should be other than that. Oh, I think it's more than 500. All of the things are more than 500,000. Okay. Then we will put another if after rose and holiday card. If, again, our subtotal is less than or equal with 1 million. Then we will get notes and pen. Other than that, just type it as t-shirt. Yes, because 3 condition, 3 criteria, then only 2 ifs. It's working. Don't forget to put close bracket. Yeah, as much as your if. Right, finish. Then we'll get this kind of result. I still see mistake on students' work on this note. Yeah, after less than 500,000 rose and holiday card. But if they put like more than 500 and stuff, it's wrong. Just put it like this and it's working. Yes. And next part, you need to do pivot. Yeah, pivot chart to show. Yeah, the instruction is make pivot chart based on product name with type as a legend. Type as legend. Perhaps you don't understand, but if you make pivot, then you will know where I need to put it. I already put legend. And then the total amount our stores made at that day. Total amount we made based on what? Yes, our amount should be. Perhaps I can make it correct. If you use subtotal or total payment, it's okay. Two of them I categorize it as correct. total amount that you make. Because yes, amount that we made is subtotal. Because this discount, because bank give discount for the customer, then bank will compensate our store. So our income will this. But how much people paying are this number. All right. Oh yeah, I can see some students put like more effort. They put it like grand total for this and this. Okay, yeah, but that's not the question. Now the point is we will make pivot table. So block your data and then insert pivot pivot chart and pivot chart. Yes, on your computer it's located here, but on your laptop, on your notebook, you will have the same appearance as mine. I wanna put it on new worksheet and then okay. You will have this kind of result. Then teacher asks you to put pie chart based on name of product. So name of product should be our axis. And then the total amount, subtotal on your value. Then this guy. But the color is the same. We want to separate it. We want to put legend based on type. So different color on different type. I already say it, legend, series. Yes, and you have legend on your computer as well. Just do it like this. Then we have different result, different color on each type. If you want to make it bigger, to make it clear, so it's clearly, you can see it clearly here. Right, and I appreciate you who did this, like change the pivot result with accounting to make it more neatly. Yeah, accounting should be put rupiah and stuff on the work. Good. So we can get this kind of information. Yeah, so easy. But I can see, yeah, you learn a lot on my class. But for some students, perhaps because of nerves or something, cannot do it exactly or perfectly. Then right now, after listening this class, guys, I will give you an opportunity to mark up your score, because I can see some students score are not good enough or are not good. Then if I can transfer it into character A, B, C, then you will get D. It means fail on our practical class, because yeah, this is something easy. And then I really appreciate if you really learn, not only because of number, score, or stuff, that I will give you an opportunity to have a remedial. Yes, I will give opportunity for all of you who thinks you didn't do well on my class. On every Tuesday and Thursday class, on test, and then on our final exam. If you think you're not catch up, you cannot catch up the materials, and then if you want to mark up the score, please tell me, please let me know. Then we can have another schedule to have remedial tasks. How is it? If you think you want to do it, please let me know, please tell me. Then yes, I hope our class is helping you on your project, because this is basic. Perhaps on next classes you will have the same or similar project. Yes, thank you for this semester, for always coming to class, for all your questions. And then for your help. Sometimes I don't remember something and then you remind me. Thank you so much. And I wish you a good luck for your exam. Then we will meet you around. All right. Thank you so much and bye bye.